This is the third video in a series on the math department skills quizzes. Here the directions say simplify if possible. So if we're going to take something out from under a square root radical, we need a perfect square inside. There's a saying that if there's addition or subtraction, you can't leave the house being the square root radical. In this case, that's not quite true. This is the binomial squared, x minus 4. So even though it doesn't look like it to start, it is a perfect square. Now, the square root of x minus 4 squared, a lot of people would say x minus 4, but it's actually the absolute value of x minus 4. We'll look at the Inspire CAS calculator here, and I have the same expression. And it does indeed give me absolute value of x minus 4. Okay, now this one. Here the saying works. Because there's addition, I can't take anything out from under the square root radical. So this is as simplified as possible. Same thing here. Now here I could factor the x minus 64 into x plus 8 times x minus 8, but those are two different factors, so I don't get the squared, can't take anything out of the square root, so that is as simple as possible. Here's one more. Here I can factor out a 9 from both the x squared and the constant term, so I'll do that. And now 9 is a perfect square, so I can take the square root of that to 3 and move it outside the square root radical. And we can also verify in the Inspire. So here, if I hit enter, no simplification. Here, if I hit enter, no simplification. And here, when we hit enter, we get to 3 times the square root of x squared minus 9.